The Integra Type S has some new interior features. Let's check them out.
Inside the new Integra Type S, you'll immediately notice it's truly a performance sedan. In the Integra Type S, we removed the rear center seat and also the moonroof. We did that not only to reduce weight, but to also lower the center of gravity of the vehicle to help with that cornering performance. Now, as soon as you sit inside, you'll notice these really nicely bolstered sport seats that are exclusive to Type S. They have ultra suede inserts and Type S embossed in the headrest. Being a 6-speed manual transmission, you'll notice that it has very close gear ratios, very good shifting, and very fast rev matching. In the Type S, it has an exclusive shift knob, shift boot, and Type S even embossed here in this aluminum plaque. Now next to that, you'll notice your controls for the dynamic modes. You have Comfort, Sport, and a Type S exclusive Sport Plus. But when you're in Sport Plus mode, you're going to notice things throughout the interior that change, such as the standard 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster. There you'll notice yellow needles, performance gauges, really gives you that enhanced Type S levels of performance right in front of you. And as you look up further, you'll even notice we have a head-up display as well. The Type S truly is the ultimate package of premium performance, materials, and technology.